and welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at a pronunciation request and a little grammar. What? Yeah, I know. Today we're going to learn the difference between P-U-T and B-U-T, and it's more than just one letter. Come on. P-U-T is pronounced put, put. Got it? To move to or place. Put the book over there. We also put on our clothes. So, to move to or to place. Put the desk over by the television. Ooh, that might not work out. Let's put it over there then. Okay, put. Now, drop the P, put a B, you get but? No, you get but. But, a short U. What? Yeah, a short U. But, with one T. But with two T's, you sit on. Okay, B-U-T, but. What's that? But is a conjunction, bringing two phrases or clauses together. We like to help, but we gotta go. Okay, how about but the adverb? She is but a mere shadow of her former self. Okay, that's the adverb. How about but the preposition, meaning except? We were poor, but we were happy. Okay, and now but the noun. No buts about it. That's the best team in town. But the noun. Got it? Let's review. Put, to move to or place. Put the book over there. But, a conjunction, an adverb, a preposition, and a noun. What? I know. Why does English have two words that look oh so close, should be pronounced the same, but they're not, and one is a little less powerful than this one? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce and understand this sentence, I hope. I thought I put the book on the desk, but it's not there. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's gone. What? Let's do it one more time. You do it too. I thought I put the book on the desk, but it's not there. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's gone. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with put or but? You can? Put it in the comments. Peace, friends. If you have any requests, leave them in the comments. Put them in the comments. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit like and subscribe. Peace, friends.